What is up, YouTube fam? It is me and
Ariana Lydia.
she is going to give you the full government name today, you guys. So what we have on the agenda is we are getting ready to do a complete stair riddle, you guys. I have these ugly behind carpets that we've had since we moved into this place, and it's so dingy, y'all. I can't, okay? I don't know who put the stairs in. If you guys look at it, it's not even fluffy anymore. I know what you guys are thinking. Dang, that girl's getting started into that video. That is the point, you guys. I'm not doing any rambling on because we have a lot to do today, so we have no time to waste. I have to go to the store and get some loose ends, and then we have to come back, get ready to cut the wood. And I don't know if it's going to be a one-day install. It might be 2 days, so you guys might actually see 2 clips with this video, you guys. So that is what we have on the agenda today. Pretty freaking excited. We're going to change out that ugly carpet. We're going to put hardwood floors in my house, and it's gonna make it look so good. The idea of my stairs, you guys, is I actually have light floors, but I'm going with contrast stairing. So that's what I'm doing. With contrast stairing, you guys, you know what that means? It's gonna be 2 different contrasts, which means bless you, baby, which means 2 different colors. So I'm going with light colored floors, but I want my stairs to be black, like basically dark. So the stain and stuff that we're going with, I'm gonna basically put in the video, so you just have to stay tuned, you guys. I hope that you guys all enjoy this vlog. Be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and join the fam. So without further ado, let's go ahead and, you heard what she said, join the Coop Squad. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get started into this clip. I'm actually going to fast forward. Look at that support right there. If I tell y'all, this is my #1 supporter, baby. But yeah, we're gonna fast forward the clips, you guys. I probably might do a talk through because with me working and stuff like that, it's hard to work and talk at the same time. So I hope you guys all enjoy. Bye. Say bye-bye, Reed.
Bye-bye.
At us. We already know that these stairs are hideous. The carpet is ugly as hell.
They look bad.
Very bad. But this is one of our projects that we've been wanting to do since we moved in this house. This is the carpet, obviously, that came with the house. So we've been waiting to come to this point where we can rip it up and do something new. Facelift.
Yeah, you guys, total facelift, because as you guys can see, these carpets are hit. These are the original carpet. This is the original carpet. If you guys can look, it's not even fluffy anymore. It's just like, oh, it looks embarrassing, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead. The next clip you're gonna see, you guys, we're gonna rip out this ugly mess, and we're gonna get started with installing brand new hardwood stairs, you guys. Nice wood stairs. That's what we're getting ready to do, you guys, because yeah, this looks hideous. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so first things first, we are gonna go ahead. We're getting rid of these janky, dusty, crusty carpet, whatever you want to call it. It's prehistoric. We're getting it up out of here, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, it's already looking so much better just with it being pulled out. Right now, as you guys can see, Mike's removing some of the padding that we have on the stairing. Of course, you want to make sure that you're vacuuming up your mess because you don't want all that dirt and stuff transferring on your floors. You know, make sure you clean up after yourself. And as you guys can see right here, what we are doing is we're removing the tack strips, and those are usually applied on the stairs when they're usually applying the carpet and stuff like that. So we have to remove the tack strips and prepare it for our install. You know, I'm doing a little something. You know, I like to get my hands dirty from time to time. I don't like to just sit there like a princess. A lot of people don't know that about me, but I do like to get down and dirty. It is my hidden talent. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. And if you guys can see the mud right there, I forgot to actually film that, but we did get rid of the mudding that they had on the stairs and stuff like that, and made it a nice smooth surface, but I forgot to record it, so don't kill me. So right now we're gonna get started with our risers first, and Mike is making the measurements and stuff like that. When I tell y'all it was hot outside, it was hot out there, okay? We were sweating like hoes in church. So right now we're using the circular saw, you guys. I know a lot of people might come for us and be like, why are you using a circular saw? But we did not have the table saw, so you know, we had to use what we had on hand. You know what I'm saying? One monkey don't stop the show. We had to keep it going, baby. So we used what we had, and it still turned out perfect. But as you guys gonna see later on, we do go back to the table saw. Well, that's gonna be the second day. And that's Deep Brow, my baby. You know what I'm saying? She helping her mama set up. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys how handy cardboard boxes are. So if you guys have any, you guys are getting rid of it, I highly recommend, you know, just save them bad boys, because you never know when you're gonna need them. If you guys can see, I've used these same cardboard papers for a minute now. The paint that I'm using is Benjamin Moore's Simply White. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I was really disappointed in the paint quality of this paint, just because you guys are gonna see me basically wiping away on the risers, and the reason why I'm doing that is because this paint kept spitting out skins, you guys, and it was so annoying. I don't know if it's because it was a lower quality of paint, and I usually do not go with Benjamin Moore, but yeah. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it was pretty frustrating to have to, you know, I like to be one and done, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to, you know, have to do extra work if it's not necessary, because let me tell you what, when it kept spitting out those skins, your girl was getting a little bit annoyed, but I still made it happen. We still made it happen. You know, teamwork made the dream work, baby. So you guys see, I just was wiping it because it was spitting out skins. Look at this pine board, you guys, and if you look at closely, look at the graining on it. The stain is going to be lit on this pine wood. I'm telling you, I'm excited to see how the stain is going to pick up on it. And actually, you guys, this is the second day. It was sort of difficult to try to get this completed. That's why it's actually gonna be a part 2 to this, you guys. And the reason being is because we're in hurricane season, you guys, and it's so hard. We've been rained out, so it's actually delaying the process. So I hope that you guys all enjoy. This is just gonna be the first part, you guys, but we are definitely gonna be doing a second part. But like I told you guys, it's pretty hard. Hurricane season, we're just getting rained out, and it's so hard to get any work done with the stormy weather. But yeah, we're gonna make it happen, and that's why the video has been delayed, you guys. So as you guys can see right here, we finally have the table saw. We're just, you know, making our cuts, and y'all, I'm excited. The treads are gonna be sexy, okay? Just look at it. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure that you guys tune in to part 2. I just wanted to show you guys the beginning stages and processing of us getting rid of that ugly carpet. And yeah, you guys, you know, stay tuned. Part 2 is gonna be pure magic. We're gonna get through with the staining, and I can't wait to show you guys what the stain gonna look like. But yeah, you guys just have to stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget, you guys, to tune into your girl. Bye, y'all.